In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp and Messenger in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Unfortunately, there is no way to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp and Messenger completely, but we can minimize its presence and disable its function that collects our information. So first of all, we will make the settings for WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, press and hold on Meta AI chat. Click on this bin icon to delete its chat, and you can also reset it to its default state. For this, open Meta AI and type reset AI and press this send icon, and it will reset all its default state. After this, click on these three dots, then click on settings. From here, click on chat. After, scroll to the bottom and click on chat backup. And from here again, scroll to the bottom. If end-to-end encryption is on, it's mean all your messages can be read. So you just need to turn end-to-end encrypted backup. For this, click on it and create a passkey for end-to-end encrypted backup. After this, close it. And from your home screen, open Messenger. And from here, just press and hold on Meta AI chat. Then click on delete. After this, open Meta AI and again type reset AI and send it. And Meta AI will be reset to its default state. After this, click on menu at bottom right corner. From here, click on settings. Now scroll to the bottom and click on account center. From here, click on your information and permission. Now you have to click on your activity Meta AI technology. And from here, scroll to the bottom and click on manage future activity. Now select disconnect future activity. Then click on continue. Now click on disconnect future activities. So that's how you can remove Meta AI from WhatsApp and Messenger in just few easy steps.